Hello. So I'm late again. I thought this week that I'd focus more on the actual speech and sort of update where I am and what I'm really working on since I think this is week 13, which is crazy. So clearly, there's a big difference between the first video and then this one. Um, and I know I say every time that I have a lot of work left to do, and I think as my speech in these videos improves, it's helpful to sort of say what I'm working on. So um, at this point, I can say just about anything. The issue with apraxia is that it's a coordination disorder. So what happens is that I literally can't get my tongue or my mouth or all these parts that go into making your speech quick enough sometimes. So at this point, my speech itself is so much better, but I still get tripped up when I try to to go too fast. And sometimes the other thing is that it's so random. So I could say, I've said this before, but I could say one word just fine and then still say it again, 5 minutes later, and it's messed up. So that part is getting better, and it really just requires a lot of repetition. So in a way, this apraxia is like learning how to do any other sort of exercise or like a new sport. Like it's literally, oh God, I still have issues with this word, but it's literally like lifting weights, like with my tongue and my mouth. Like that's the best way I can describe it. So sometimes, like, I can make it through an entire sentence and have it be just fine. But then I get to like a word that requires a lot of syllables, or just like that. And what happens is that I know what I want to say, but my mouth can't make the sound fast enough. So it's sort of the signals coming from my brain, they're coming to my mouth to make the word, but it gets sort of jumbled in the process. So the only thing I can do is just keep talking as much as possible, and I'm still going to speech twice a week. So my plan is to go twice a week through early December, and then look at going to one a week, and then start tapering off from there. So it's a scary thought, but while I'm making so much progress, my plan is to go as much as I can. So anyway, so I've made mistakes in this video, and I did not restart it. So like I usually do, which is bad. But anyway, I thought I'd update on what speaking is like for me right now, and I will send another update next week.